Hello and welcome to the second tutorial on HTML and CSS on the Jokester designs. In the previous tutorial, we learned the basic HTML layout and about the tags which we use to create the web page. These are some of the basic tags: title, meta. We also talked about the link tag, the various types of headers, the paragraph tag, basic paragraph formatting like BR tag and the horizontal rule tag, how to insert a hyperlink and an image in a web page. We also discussed how to use an image as a hyperlink. So moving on, I would like to discuss about the link tag in this tutorial and also discuss paragraph formatting in greater detail. So let's start off. The link tag is used to link an external document to your web page. It might be an external style sheet, it might be an icon which you want to add to your web page, it might be an external font which you want to bring in from some website and link to your document. So this is the function of the link tag. About the style sheet, I want to mention something. Style sheet is a part of external styling which is done using CSS, cascading style sheets, and it is something which we are going to learn in the next few tutorials. So basically, style sheet is something which we won't concern ourselves right now in this tutorial. I'll just teach you how to link an external style sheet. So the first thing which comes in while linking an external document is the relationship between the external document and your web page. So link rel is going to be a style sheet. This tells your web page that this document which is linked to you is a style sheet. The next thing which comes in is the type of file we are linking. So this is going to be a text file followed by a slash and the extension of the file which we are linking. So obviously you are going to write the CSS style sheet in a text file and save it as a .css file, so /css. The next thing which comes in is the href. In HTML, in majority of the cases when we are linking an external file, except for the image src, we use href to indicate the location of the file. So here we go, href should be text, maybe not text or style sheet .css. I do not have an external style sheet by that name. I'm just demonstrating how to link an external style sheet. So this is how you link an external style sheet to your web page. You are going to style your web page using this style sheet if you want to, or you can style it inline. We'll talk about that in greater detail later on. So the next thing which comes in is the Fav Icon. Let's talk about what's a Fav Icon. You see YouTube's open here, and beside the title there's this icon. This is the Fav Icon. Even beside Google also there's this nice little icon. But when we open our web page here, I've saved as I've renamed the web page, sorry for that, and we do not have a Fav Icon here. It's just that standard one which the web browsers give you. So I have retitled the web page. So I'm linking a Fav Icon to this. The relation is icon. The type is definitely going to be an image, and it's going to be of type PNG. It can also be an SVG format. Both these are popular as vector images. Both these formats rather are popular as vector images. So let me show you. I have got this image to be used as a Fav Icon, and it's named as sam.jpg. So I'm going to link this as sam.jpg to my web page, and I'm going to save this. Sorry, it was sam.png. I'm going to link this and save this, and I'm going to refresh my page, and here we go, we have our Fav Icon. So this is how you use the link tag to link external documents to your web page. The next thing we are going into is our paragraph formatting. So as you can see, I have reformatted the paragraph to be of greater use, and I'm going to show you how to format your paragraph. So if you want to make something bold, we have two tags available to do that. One of them is the B tag, and the other is the strong tag. HTML gives you the option to use both, and I don't find much difference between them, but I'm just mentioning for the sake of mentioning. And the next is the italics tag, and it italicizes your document. Very difficult to pronounce. The next is emphasis, and this is same as the italics tag, and there's not much of a difference, so I'll just write it so that you notice how much of a difference it is. This is the emphasis tag, and then you have the highlight tag, which is done by Mark. So I'll just write highlight here. If you want strike through effect on your text, you use the del tag. I write strike through here. And if you want an underlined effect, then you use the insert tag. Underline right here, and done. I inserted it twice, so I have the underline tag here. Now if you want a superscript, okay, I need to insert a BR tag to make this look cleaner, the effects cleaner. Let me put in the tags which I used. Done by B tag, done by strong tag, done by I tag. HTML5 is uppercase insensitive. In some cases, in most cases rather, is done by EAM. If you write HTML in the top, if you write doc type HTML in capitals or these tags in capitals, it doesn't make a difference. I'll show you a bit later. Done by Mark, done by Del, done by INS. So I'm gonna save it and go ahead and watch the effect. See, this is bold. Oh, I forgot to put in spaces, but you can check it out. Italics done by I tag, emphasis done by EM, highlight done by Mark, strike through done by Del, and underline done by ES. Let me insert the spaces so it looks cleaner. And save it, and let me show you. See, we have the spaces. You can note it down, and then we can move on. The next thing is the subscript and the superscript. So first the subscript. Save it and see sorry, it should be subscript. This is sub. Control S. Sub is below and super is above. You can understand from the sub and super. So 2 comes below and it is done by the sub tag. Suppose you want to do an a square plus b square equal to c square, then you go a super 2 plus b super 2 equal to c super 2. Save it Check it out. See, you get the a square plus b square equal to c square. So the next thing is the abbreviation tag, and it's given by the ABBR. What it is used for is you use an abbreviation, and when the mouse hovers over it, a small tooltip comes and it gives you the full form. So ABBR, and then the title, which gives you the name of the the full form of the abbreviation. So World Health Organization, and we write WHO here, save it, go ahead, refresh, and when we hover over it, we see World Health Organization come up. I might even zoom in a bit to make these effects more clear. See, World Health Organization. The next thing I want to, let me put a BR tag here and a BR tag here. The next thing we are going to do is show you the quote tag. The quote tag is used to define a short quotation. So let me put in all the world's a stage. I don't even remember the proper lines. So I save it and refresh it. See, this comes in with an apostrophes. I don't find much use of it, except that you cannot select the apostrophe. You could have just put in the apostrophes, but I don't find much utility of this. So I'm going to skip all the quotation formattings, and that is the basic HTML paragraph formatting, which you need to learn to be able to at least format your paragraphs. Basically, we have much more coming our way when we learn style sheets. So that's it on tutorial 2. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel